So there are a couple of ways to make these heaters. This is the radiant heat. This is like the heated air. I've actually tested out both, and I think I like this the heated air one a little bit better. Not that this is not radiating. This is radiating a little bit. It limits the amount of air coming in, so it gets kind of warm here, and then the heat comes out up through here, comes out warm, and it's really like hot to the touch right here on this vent. So of the two, this is the one I prefer. But again, this could definitely be improved. I have this lifted up so high. Maybe if I bring this down a little bit, I will keep more heat in there and radiate more. This is hot also, but I think this gets a lot warmer than that. But if you guys have experience with neither one or both of them, tell us which one is better. So far, in my opinion, this is the better one. So I'll be building 2 or 3 of this for my greenhouse. And the construction is very simple. You got this vent here. Let me set that aside. You got the terracotta pot. You got the plate, and then you got the candle. Very simple. You don't have to have anything to elevate the terracotta pot, because it will draw air through this hole here, because we're not covering this. We're not trying to radiate the heat. This one is just the heated air. It does get a little warm up here, so it will radiate just a little bit, but it's not going to be like this model here. So you got the plate, you got the candle, the pot, and then you got the vent to put that over. So just right now it's already warm, and this is hot to the touch. So this is a good option. Actually, they're both good options. So to construct this radiant heater, it's pretty simple. You need two plates. All right, so you have the bigger plate underneath. Find something to keep the pots elevated so it can get air in here. And then you got the candle. And then you got another plate that will cover the hole so it radiates throughout. All right, so both are good options, but for me, I think I like this a little bit better. These are the 16-ounce jars. With one tub, we'll be able to make 3 candles. We got a couple of leftover candles from making these bigger candles, so these will be nice. I just gotta find another one for that. And so same way we made the big ones, this is how we're gonna make the small ones. Get that tub open. Get one of these scoop. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and heat this up. Okay, we'll open up these jars. Pour 16 ounces of this liquefied all vegetable shortening into the mason jar. This is the Great Value brand from Walmart, and you can go with the more popular brand, the Crisco brand. Now repeat that step a couple of more times until you use up all the vegetable shortenings from the container. Then take the mason jar with the liquefied vegetable shortening and put it in the refrigerator so it can get hardened. After it is hardened, you can insert the candlestick in the middle. Well, this one's a bad example. This is kind of high. You will have to make a smaller one, a smaller candle for this type. So that way you can cover this thing entirely, and then have one of these 90-degree angle air vents over that, and you don't have to worry about lifting it up for air to come in. It'll draw enough air through that hole, through the hole in the middle, to continuously burn, and it will heat up the air, and it'll come out with warm air this way. So you could build it in two different ways. So you got the hot air versus the radiant pot. So that's it for this video. 2 different ways to build a heater. DIY your own heater to heat up a small room or put it away for emergency for when the electricity goes out. And as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.